to Betty's Fast Easy Chinese Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook a curry chicken. This is a chicken wing I got it from Costco. You can get any kind. And this is a golden curry Japanese curry mix. You can get it all online. This onion, some garlic. Okay, let's prepare the chicken. I have the chicken wing. I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons of salt in there just so I can wash chicken clean later. So when you prepare, you get a fork. Just poke around the chicken. So make sure all the chicken has been poked around. Then after you poke thoroughly the chicken, you wait about 2 minutes, and then you just rinse with the water. Okay, let's prepare the garlic. The green garlic, you just cut into this one off, and this one, and then just kind of like so a little bit bigger, and this one, the green part, you just cut into smaller. Prepare the garlic. All you need to do is put your over garlic, smash it. Let's prepare the sauce. We know from the curry, golden gate curry, and then 1 cup of water. Then you just split it. It's gonna be coming out like that. Now all you need to do is just cut it into a slice. It's easy to, when you cook it, it's easy to absorb it. So just like that, and then cut it into smaller and add it to the water. Okay, so let's just add for me, it's add 2 teaspoons of soybean sauce, but depends on how many salt you can take. So when you cook it, just add it. Cook. So first, the fire is medium. So now you put the pan over dry. So just oil, the white part of the green onion, most the garlic. Now chicken wings. Cook the chicken wing about a minute. Pour the sauce that we mixed before all over, and then just pour it over. Here. And then cover it up. Then you want to cook for another 5 minutes. When it's done, cook very good so you can flip over. Cook another 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure the chicken's all good. About total 10 minutes already. You can see it's almost well done. You cut, put in there, and then mixed, and then you just and then you're done. Now let's see. This is a very easy, simple curry chicken. You're done.